Twilio shares now up about 10% in overtime as the software company hosts its Investor Day. The company is spotlighting an expanded total addressable market in a segment called Customer Experience as a Service, sizing that at $158 billion. Now, CEO Khozema Shipchandler, the former CFO, is also touting profit targets.
So we've basically taken a company that a year ago wasn't even making any money, right? So sitting here today, $700 million nearly in profits, an equivalent amount of cash flow to accompany that. And then on top of that, over the last couple quarters, we've been able to return to double-digit growth. Over the course of the last year, we've got 9,000 unique AI companies that are building on top of Twilio. You know, that's 9,000 AI startups, like many of whom didn't even exist, right, 2-3 years ago. We've got over 90% of the Forbes 50 AI companies who are building with Twilio. And so that's super exciting. And then on the flip side, we've got a bunch of enterprises that are equally developing with us. And so we've always had kind of this builder ethos. And now the time is to take communications, combine it with data, and then use AI as an unlock for our customers, their consumers.
Shipchandler's promising to ramp up Twilio's pace of product releases in 2025 to fuel that growth.
Last year, we delivered 251 unique products to our customers. This year, we got to do even better. And we've got the right team in place. That's great. We've got the right strategy in place. That's great. And I think we've kind of imbibed the right values in terms of this discipline, rigor, focus. What we want to be known as is a really innovative company that's also really well run. And I think we've really done a good job in assuring investors, assuring ourselves that the company will be well run, that will do the right things for customers, that will always be there for them. But now it's time to kind of supercharge the innovation cycle. Like one thing that I really took from my experience working with Jeff is that, you know, while you've got to manage risk as a CFO, on the flip side, you've got to seek it out because on the other side of that is growth.